Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be our nighttime routine. I'm going to share all our nighttime routine with you guys, so you're kind of going to spend the evening with us. And with Ace, I like to always bathe him like towards midnight, like 10:30, 11, sometimes 11:30. And this is a secret my mother actually taught me. She said if you want your newborn to sleep all night, you have to bathe them towards midnight and then make sure you fill their stomach. Like you have to feed them really well and then just drop them in their bed. Even with this one right here, sometimes when I'm feeding him, he just falls asleep. And this is the only routine that worked for me with the twins, because I couldn't have survived raising twins, only me and hubby, if I didn't know about this routine. So with the twins, we did this exact routine. You know, we bathe them towards midnight, feed them really well, and then put them to sleep. And they sleep all night till around 5:30, 6 o'clock. Like whenever I tell people that my newborns sleep all night, they hardly, like, a lot of people don't believe it, and this is exactly how I do it. So I'm going to take you guys along. We're going to go ahead and start with our nighttime routine. Ace, are you ready?
I love watching Ace
bathe. I know, they enjoy watching him bathe. So let's go. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I forgot to tell you guys. So we're in the bathroom right now, and sometimes I like to bathe him in the bathroom, but that was when the weather was a lot warmer. But now you guys know we are in fall, and I'm based in Jersey. I'm in New Jersey, and it gets pretty cold on this side. So normally if it was warm, this is normally what I do. I just set this in the sink. I set this right here, and then I just use the sink to give him a bath. But because it's kind of cool today, and you know the bathroom, it's warm in here but not like too warm, so we're gonna go right to the bedroom. I already set up where I normally bathe him in the bedroom. Hi daddy. Hi boo boo. And I already set up his bathtub here, and you know his bed products, the things I used to bathe him, everything is already set and ready to go. Boo boo. And also with this right here, you have to make sure they are hungry, you know. This one is very hungry, so you might probably hear him cry 1 or 2 times, but generally he loves his bedtime. You know, he enjoys water. He actually loves water, but he's hungry. I always try to make sure they don't eat like maybe an hour or 2 hours before bedtime, so that they will be hungry. And I always prefer to bathe my kids at night. I don't like bathing them in the morning. Night is just the best, because their body is going to be cool and ready to go to bed. I don't bathe my newborns every day. I probably would say I bathe them maybe 3 or 4 times a week. That's it. I don't bathe them every single day to limit them catching a cold. And also, Ace is 7 weeks old, you know. He's still considered a newborn, so you have to be very careful.
Hi. Hi. Hi everyone. Hi. Ace is bathing. Hi,
yeah.
As you guys should know.
It's bedtime, right?
Hello.
Yeah,
look at Ace, little.
It's so funny how Ace is always confused. Like sometimes you can see he's confused between the twins. Like he will look at Angelique, look at Angel, right? He's always trying to figure out who is who. And because of the fact we dress the twins alike, it's kind of mesmerizing to him. He always tries to figure each person out. Like you will just see him going from Angelique to Angel, Angelique to Angel, trying to figure them out. Hi baby.
Hello.
I love this particular bathtub because it comes with kind of a shield, you know. It comes with this, so it makes it so much easier to bathe him, where I just lay him in here, and then it's easier for me to control him. And the water I'm using too is hot water.
Wasting battery. Hot water. Yeah.
So I love using Aveeno products for my kids, but Ace was a very special baby because he came, and after I would say a week plus, he started breaking out. You know, he started having acne. So I feel like he probably took after me when it comes to acne. So because of that, we did some research, and a lot of people recommended Mostela. This is Mostela. This is the body wash we use for him instead of Aveeno, and this is very good, especially if your newborn, you know, is having maybe rashes or acne. They actually call it baby acne, and when he started breaking out, we reached out to his pediatrician and he said, oh, it's very normal, that we can't do anything about it. And I'm so thankful that we were able to research on our own and we discovered these products. I actually have a few products I'm going to show you guys in today's video. They've really been helping to control his acne. Like, I will look for a picture and insert here how bad his acne used to be. It was so bad, you know, his baby acne was so bad. But these products we've been using for him actually does an amazing job. So normally I start from up here and then I wash like his armpit. I always like to go ahead and open up his hand, wash it, because sometimes when you're changing his diaper, he sometimes reaches into his diaper, especially if he poops. He might have, you know, dirt or poop stuck in his fingers. So I like to go ahead and open it up. You notice sometimes when you're feeding a baby, the milk might start dripping into their neck, and if you don't go ahead and wash inside their neck, you will notice that their neck starts to stink. You know, their neck begins to kind of smell because of the milk, and we don't want that. So I always like to go ahead and concentrate on his neck. Sometimes I like to like open him up like this. The more you lift him up, the more he's going to open up his neck for you. He has a lot of rounds on his body, so I like to go ahead and use my hand and just open up those rounds, because sometimes dirt might be stuck in there. And also I'm going to go ahead and clean down here.
How come he has this little blob thing on it?
It's probably from his socks.
Oh.
I also like to turn him around and then just laying on his stomach while you pour him water. He loves it. He hates this one, so I always like to hurry. Just go ahead and just scrub his face. Hi, Daddy. Hold on. Once I'm done with his face, I like to go ahead and just wash it out. And I don't pour water on him. I just kind of dab my hand inside the water, and then an easy place a baby can catch a cold is through their hair. So I always like to do this one last. And when I do it, I just do it quickly so I can just get him out of the bed.
Be careful. Yeah.
When I'm pouring the water, you guys, I always like to go to the back. You know, see how I'm doing it. Running water on a newborn's hair actually helps them go to bed easy. You know, it makes them go to bed quickly. So I like to kind of spend time and just pour water on his hair, as long as the water is hot and also the place you're bathing him is hot.
Yeah,
So once I get him out and dry him off, I like to go ahead and use another towel and just clean his tongue, because you guys know with all the breast milk, their tongue can sometimes very dirty. So I like to go in. He hates this one too, so he's gonna scream now. See, I know, Daddy, sorry. I like to just make sure he opens up, and then I use the towel to brush it. Sorry, Daddy.
How come
I know.
How come he screams every time that you finish?
He don't like it.
But he cannot.
He can't cry while the towel is in his tongue, because it's the tongue he will use to cry. So he always waits. Yeah, he always waits for me to bring it out. Like I said, I like to use Aveeno for them, but then for the night, I always like to use Johnson Bedtime Lotion. This, for some reason, I feel like whenever I use this particular, oh my gosh, whenever I use this particular lotion on him, he sleeps really well. There is actually lavender in this product, and they said it helps them to go to sleep. So with this particular lotion right here, I only apply it on his body. I don't apply it to his face. He actually has a special product I use on his face because of the acne I told you guys about.
Yeah.
And then with the back, I kind of like to spend a little time with his back because he likes massages. He likes me to massage him, so I just spend a little more time and massage like his leg, his back. I feel like this massage actually also helps him to fall asleep you know, faster. I just like to kind of use the lotion and just rub him, massage him down.
Looks like he likes that massage.
He does. Oh, he loves it whenever I do it. I know he can't wait for the breasty time. So for his face, I like to use Tubby Todd. This is one product I would say that have really saved me when it comes to this baby. Ever since we discovered he has baby acne. He loves it when I apply the lotion on his face and then kind of dab it on his face. He just starts to smile. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Sorry.
It seems like this.
Sorry. He's getting really, really hungry now. I know. Before I put on the diaper, I always like to go in with A&D ointment for his bum bum. You guys know they always wet their bum bum, so you want to make sure it's very, very moisturized at all times.
Right, AC?
Put on diaper.
I'm gonna have a diaper for one more day yet. I'm not gonna wet it for...
Sorry, Daddy, we're almost done
Okay,
now.
I feel like I want to wet it.
You've really tried, you're almost done.
I want to hold it, but I really need...
I know. He's even complaining. He's telling me like, Mommy, I am hungry. Sorry, Daddy. I know. Sorry. A big put on onesie. Ooh, we are almost done. Is just the hair. I know. With his hair, I just like to apply a little bit of Johnson baby oil. We're done, Daddy. We're done. We are done. It's food time. Yeah. Oh, sorry, Daddy. Sorry. He hasn't eaten for it's getting to 3 hours now, so he's definitely hungry. And then last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and give him his gas medicine. I either use Little Remedies or this Mylicon. His pediatrician actually recommended the Mylicon because it helps a lot with kind of easing gas, and you know, it makes it so much easier for them to feed. You know how sometimes when you're feeding a baby, they'll be eating but they'll be fussing and they'll be crying. He used to have this, you know, he used to have these symptoms before I had to call his pediatrician, and he recommended Mylicon or Little Remedies, the Gripe Water. Gripe Water actually helps a lot with hiccups. You know, this is what I love to give him for hiccups and also when he starts getting fussy. Okay.
Are we going to be changing rooms?
I don't like it, right?
Does it taste yummy?
It don't taste that yummy.
I want to taste.
I know. Sorry.
It's only for babies.
Come on.
No.
I know. Thank you.
Here's the milk, you guys.
Yes, breast milk. I always like to express milk. And somebody actually asked me, why do I like to express? And the reason is because, you guys, babies always eat like every 2 to 3 hours, right? And whenever you're breastfeeding a baby, it's recommended, like, for you to be sure of the amount of food the baby is getting, you have to stay at least 30 to 45 minutes. Like, you have to interchange between each breast every 15 minutes, and you have to do it for maybe 30, 45 minutes. So imagine having to sit for 30 to 45 minutes every 2 to 3 hours. Like, that's a lot. So what I normally do is, like in the evening, I just pump, and thankfully I'm producing a lot of milk. So like this one right here, he has 4 ounces he's drinking right now. So I always express milk for the next day. So this one he's taking now is the last milk I expressed for today. So you know, we are done for the expressed milk right now. So whenever he feels hungry from now to tomorrow morning, I'll have to breastfeed him. And also during the day, sometimes when I'm free, you know, I also breastfeed. At least the people in the house, like the twins, can help me feed him, or his dad can help feed him whenever he's hungry, you know. That's one of the reasons I love expressing his milk. And also sometimes when you're feeding a baby straight from the boobs, you're not sure of the quantity of food, like the amount of food the baby is getting, you know. Unlike now, at least I can see, okay, this is 4 ounces of milk, and when he finishes it, I know he has 4 ounces of milk in his belly, you know. It makes it so much easier for me to gauge the food he's eating. Daddy is good. He refused formula. He's not taking no milk, no formula. He's just strictly on breast milk. It takes a very big toll on my body, but what can I do, you guys? You know, at least thank God I'm producing the milk, so I'm just gonna feed him as much as he wants. Daddy is good. You're eating nice. Take it easy. It's all yours. You don't need to eat everything as they go. Just take it easy. He likes to gulp a lot, like and I always tell him, like, it's only for you. Take it easy, Daddy. You're not sharing with no one. Just take it easy. Yes. Nice. Sometimes when I feed him like 2 ounce or 3 ounce, I like to go ahead and bop him, because sometimes babies can get gassy very, very easily. So just wipe his mouth. Hi, baby. You're happy now? We're bopping or no? Are we bopping or no? Oh my gosh. Jeez. Ace, you did that? That's a grown-up bop, Daddy. That's a grown man bop. Ooh, jeez. Let's try and finish this food. Right? Yummy. Yum, yum, yum. I love you. You love me. We are happy family. Yes. Yes. Ooh, that's another bob. You ready to go to sleep? Hi. He loves doing tummy time with me, you guys. So I always kind of reduce the light in the room and then put him on my chest and just pat him. And while I'm patting him, you can just feel him dozing off to sleep. Daddy, yes. Hope you're doing. Okay. He's already off to sleep. And yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please hit that like button below and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video very, very soon. Bye. I don't know where she came from. It kind of turned me upside down.